Hello, 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 everybody. Thank you for coming back, or thank you for joining me. If you are just joining me for the first time, we're going through the 2005 Grade 8 Gauss paper, and we're all the way up to question 18. So if you are just joining me, download a copy of the contest, maybe go back and try some of the earlier questions, watch some of the earlier videos, whatever you want to do. I'll assume you have done that, and we're going to go ahead with question 18. So, if n equals 2 to the 5 times 3 squared times 7, which should probably be written as 7 to the 1, times box, and 100 divides evenly into n, which of the following numbers could be placed in the box? So we got 5, 20, 75, 36, 120. All right. So notice that these numbers here are sort of special, 2, 3, and 7. These are prime numbers. So what we've got going on here, at least for the first bit of n, is prime factorization, and this gives us a little bit of a hint as to where to go. Maybe we should prime factorize 100. So 100 is, I don't think I have enough space here. So 100 is 2 squared times 5 squared. Now, if you have things written out in prime factorization, like something like this, and you know it divides some other number n, then when I write n in terms of its prime factors, you will have first of all, these primes will appear along with maybe some other primes, but what's important is that the exponents in n will be bigger than or equal to the exponents of the number you're dividing evenly by. So we couldn't have q to the 2 here, but we could have q to the 3, or q to the 4, or q to the 5, that sort of thing. So we're told that 100, which is 2 squared times 5 squared, divides evenly into n. So what has n got? Well, it's got 2 to the 5. Great. That's more than the 2 here, so that's okay. It's got 3 to the 2, 7 to the 1, and then it's got box. So if we take a look here, we have enough 2's. But we don't have 5's. We don't have any 5's. We need at least 2. Okay, so let's look at our candidate numbers. We've got 5, which is 5 to the 1. We've got 20, which is 2 squared times 5 to the 1. 75, I think, was next, and then I think it was 60 and 120 maybe? 36 and 120. So any of these will do, because we don't care about 3's and 7's and things like that. Any of these will do, provided they have 2 5's. 5's got 1 5, but that's not enough. We need at least one more 5. So 75, that's 3 to the 1 times 5 to the 2. So we're done. We've got our answer. But let's take a look here. 36 is 2 squared times 3 squared. This is great practice for prime factorization. And 120, that's, you'll have a 5 to the 1, 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 is 120. So the 4 and the 2, that gives us 8, which is 2 cubed. And then we've got the 3 as well. So that's 8 times 15, yeah, that's 120. So only 75 has 5 to the 2, which we need. So our answer is going to be C, 75. All right. So that's question 18 done. We've got 7 more to go on this contest, 2 more in part B, and then we get up to the part C questions, which are worth more, but we'll leave that for the future. We're just going to look at question number 19 up next in the upcoming video, so I'll see you guys there. Thanks so much for watching.